And without me in the picture, just sort of looking at a few of the things that I was looking at with the Panasonic LX, like this fishing pond, this fish pond, or lily pond. And here's some of the fruit that I was getting close-ups of with the LX10. And that's kind of what the normal view you would get from the GoPro. And this fruit inside the plastic bags to protect them. And I also took a shot of some of this plant with the LX10. And that's what it would look like from the point of view of a GoPro. You just can't do the close-ups, of course, and other fancy things like these, this tiny fruit that I got a close-up of. It's about as, I don't even know if that's in focus on the GoPro, but. And I think I looked at this view from the Panasonic as well. That's what it would look like from the GoPro. Just to be thorough, I thought I'd do another stabilization walk and talk test, but now I'm in 1080p. Everything before this point was all shot in 4K, and a camera struggles with 4K. Every camera does, because 4K, they have to process so much information so quickly. It's a huge demand on the processor and the electronics in the camera. 1080p is much easier for cameras to handle, and you get a much wider field of view. So I just wanted to do a little walk here, but now in 1080p. Might be a bit more forgiving in terms of stabilization and in terms of the field of view, not quite as tight on my face. And just for the sake of comparison, before I head off to the restaurant, this is the normal view of my life as seen on a GoPro. So if I'm walking down the sidewalk here at my guest house, this is again from the Hero 7 Black. And they tell me that the Hero 9 Black has much improved stabilization. The super smooth, it's version 3.0, and it's supposed to be much better than what's on the Hero 7 Black. Though I can't imagine it, to be honest. To me, this has always been so smooth and so steady that I certainly didn't feel the need for anything with increased stability, you know? But yeah, this is what the world looks like through my GoPro.
I'm just leaving from Namaste Cafe. That's it there with the colorful awning. And there's its location right on the corner next to the Crua Canadian restaurant.